What if I told you this gadget could make your daily life easier? Today, we're checking out one of the coolest tech gadgets you can buy right now. Let's see if it's actually worth your money. Imagine opening any can without struggling, twisting, or risking a cut. The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener makes meal prep faster, safer, and completely hands-free. Just place it on the can, press the button, and let it do all the work while you focus on cooking. Unlike traditional manual can openers that require strength and effort, this automatic opener is perfect for seniors, anyone with arthritis, or anyone who simply wants a more convenient kitchen experience. Its unique cutting system removes the lid from the side, creating smooth, safe edges instead of dangerous, sharp ones. The compact, battery-powered design means you can use it anywhere, whether you're at home, traveling, or even camping. It's not just another kitchen gadget. It's a smart upgrade that saves time, reduces frustration, and makes everyday cooking easier. If you love practical tools that truly improve your daily routine, the Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener is one gadget you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Imagine you're getting ready for a ride and suddenly discover your tire is low on air. Instead of searching for a bulky manual pump or hoping to find a gas station nearby, simply pull out the Hoto Mini Electric Bike Tire Pump. This pocket-sized powerhouse is built for cyclists, commuters, and outdoor adventurers who want fast, reliable inflation wherever they go. In just seconds, it brings your tire back to the perfect pressure, so you're back on the road without the hassle. Unlike traditional hand pumps that require effort and guesswork, the Hoto pump lets you set your desired PSI, inflates automatically, and stops precisely when it's done, protecting your tires from overinflation. The bright digital display gives you accurate, real-time pressure, while the compact design fits easily into a backpack, bike bag, or even your pocket. And it's not just for bicycles, it also works with motorcycles, scooters, sports balls, and more, making it a versatile tool for everyday life and weekend adventures. Whether you're commuting to work, tackling mountain trails, or heading out on a family camping trip, this smart electric pump gives you confidence that you're always prepared. Small enough to carry anywhere but powerful enough to handle almost any inflation task, the Hoto Mini Electric Bike Tire Pump is one of those gadgets you'll appreciate every time you need it. Imagine having one compact gadget that can vacuum dust, blast away debris, and keep your car and home spotless without dragging around a bulky cleaner. That's exactly what the Hoto BlowVac handheld vacuum delivers. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor with up to 23,000 pascals of suction, it easily picks up dirt, crumbs, sand, and everyday messes in just a few passes. But what really makes it stand out is that it's more than just a vacuum. Switch to blow mode and it instantly becomes a powerful air duster, perfect for cleaning dashboard vents, keyboards, camera gear, tight corners, or even inflating air mattresses and helping start a campfire on your next outdoor adventure. Unlike traditional handheld vacuums that offer only one power setting, the Hoto BlowVac gives you 3 suction modes, so you can balance cleaning performance with battery life depending on the job. Its lightweight cordless design makes one-handed cleaning comfortable, while the specialized attachments let you reach under seats, inside narrow gaps, and other hard-to-clean spaces with ease. Fast USB-C charging means it's always ready when you need it, and the easy one-touch dustbin keeps cleanup quick and mess-free. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a homeowner, or someone who simply appreciates smart, time-saving gadgets, the Hoto BlowVac is an all-in-one cleaning solution that replaces multiple tools and makes everyday cleaning faster, easier, and far more convenient. Have you ever wondered what's actually inside your ears, or struggled with cotton swabs that only push earwax deeper instead of removing it? The Be-Bird Earsight Plus R37R changes the way you care for your ears by giving you a crystal clear view while you clean. With its built-in HD camera and flexible design, you can safely see exactly what you're doing instead of guessing. Unlike traditional ear cleaning tools that rely on feel alone, this smart device lets you remove wax with confidence while reducing the risk of discomfort. The soft silicone tips and built-in safety features are designed to protect your ears, making it comfortable for both adults and children. And for stubborn earwax, The precision visual tweezers allow you to gently remove it without unnecessary pressure, making the entire process far more comfortable. But this isn't just an ear cleaner. It's a complete home ear care kit that can also help you inspect your ears, nose, and throat, saving time and unnecessary trips for routine checks. Compact enough to take on vacations or keep in your travel bag, it's always ready whenever you need it. Whether you're looking for a smarter way to maintain personal hygiene, care for your family, or simply replace outdated cotton swabs with a safer solution, the Bee-Bird EarSight Plus R37R brings professional-style visual ear care right into your home, making ear cleaning easier, safer, and surprisingly satisfying. Picture this. You've invited friends over for a backyard BBQ, but instead of constantly opening the grill and guessing if your steak or brisket is done, the Chef IQ Sense smart wireless meat thermometer does all the monitoring for you. This isn't just a thermometer. It's like having a personal chef keeping an eye on your food every second. With multiple built-in sensors tracking both the internal temperature of your meat and the cooking environment, it delivers precise results so your steak stays juicy, your chicken cooks safely, and your brisket comes out perfectly tender every time. Unlike traditional thermometers that only give you a quick temperature reading, the Chef IQ Sense connects to your phone over Wi-Fi, letting you monitor your meal from virtually anywhere around your home. The companion app provides real-time updates, estimated finish times, flip reminders, resting timers, and even step-by-step cooking guidance, so you can spend less time standing over the grill and more time enjoying your guests. Built to withstand extreme heat up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, the ultra-thin waterproof probe is durable enough for grills, smokers, ovens, and even air fryers without damaging your food. Whether you're a weekend griller or a serious barbecue enthusiast, this smart thermometer removes the guesswork from cooking and helps you serve perfectly cooked meals with confidence, making every cookout feel like a professional kitchen experience. If you enjoyed this gadget, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing tech finds every week. You'll find the product link in the description, and I'll see you